All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. This is video footage and samples from the latest Umidigi that I got in. Beautiful device, but how does it do for camera quality, video footage? Well, this is the front camera on the device, and I think I'm impressed. I get a lot of devices in for testing, for purchase. I buy them or whatever the case may be. I'm always testing the cameras on a device because we're in a social media age, and I think this is going to be important to a lot of people. So I'm not going to drag this out. I didn't do very much footage with this device, and I'll explain to you after you look at the footage, but on the rear camera and a couple of photos I took. But other than that, take a look at this and you tell me what you think. All right, so I know quick video footage for you, quick photos. Didn't take very many photos, but I want to talk about photos. Now, this is still the front camera. This camera is great for vlogs. As I looked at the viewfinder, at least through the viewfinder as I'm recording, it looks fantastic. But you're all watching it now after it's produced, so we'll see how that turns out. But nonetheless, front cameras, rear cameras, great for video. Now, unfortunately, the front camera only records in 720p. And the rear camera obviously tops out at 1080p, but that's not a bad thing though, because that does save on storage. And as long as the quality's good, it really doesn't matter. I've seen some 1080p video that's just better than 4K video or whatever. So I guess it's not so much 720, 1080p or whatever, but as long as the quality's good, that's what's important to me. So now photos, huge shutter lag. And I've never really addressed this before on probably any of my. I've never really had a device where I felt like it had really bad shutter lag, but I'm surprised that this device does. I would take a photo and it would take a couple of seconds or at least 1 second to actually take the photo. And when taking a photo by today's standards, that's a long time. People want to hit the button, take the photo, and be out, or you will miss the moment. So with this one, I was surprised to see how long it took to take a photo, just a regular photo. Now, I saw an option on here for burst, and then that is the way I have started taking photos with this device, because burst, you can get 30 shots if you hold it, but I just tap it once and it takes a fast photo, and the quality is fantastic. You really can't tell the difference between a burst shot and a regular photo taken with the device. So keep that in mind. My opinion on the device is cameras are great, and they're definitely good enough by today's standards. And remember, you're not paying a lot for this device if you decide to pick it up. So other than that, man, I mean, having that one little issue with, it does take a second to take a photo, but turn on burst and you'll be good to go. So it's your man Jay, what do you think about the video quality from these cameras on here? I'm just still kind of blown away at how detailed it looks while I'm recording. It looks great so far. It's your man Jay. I will follow up on this device again. I've had it now, I guess, for about 2 weeks now, I'm not sure, or more. And I'm going to follow up with battery life and performance and things like that. So, because it is a stock Android device. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.